everyone, and welcome back to This Is Hair Lifestyle. My name is Karen and we are going to do another DIY hair product. It is going to be the Deep Nourish Avocado Mask. So let's begin. Alright, so all you need is an avocado, one avocado, banana, some agave coconut cream, castor oil, cupuacu butter, and horsetail oil. So let's get started, right? So I have this avocado. I'm going to use this. This makes my avocado cutting easier for me. So I'll leave the link of all of the products that I use below and tools that I use below. So I'm going to cut the avocado and I'm going to put it in my Ninja. See? And you want the avocado to be like nice and soft. Okay. So the avocado have many benefits, as it is extremely moisturizing, nourishing to the hair, it promotes shine, and it also is good for the scalp as well, and it also just hydrates your hair. So this avocado mask is good, a lot of benefits, especially if your hair is dry and brittle. So next up is going to be banana. Now banana has a lot of benefits as well. It is great for your hair and scalp. It improves manageability and shine. It prevents and controls dandruff. It moisturizes the scalp. It softens the hair. So it is a great conditioning agent to add to this avocado mix. Let's not forget, banana equals potassium. It's so beneficial to eat it as well. Alright. Next up is agave. So you're going to want 15 ml of agave. Agave nectar is so lightweight. It acts as a humectant. It deeply conditions the hair. It draws water into that hair shaft, just moisturizing that hair when your hair is brittle or dry, right? So 15 ml. Okay, yes, put that in there. Next up is coconut cream. I love my coconut cream. I put it in pretty much every one of my products. It's so beneficial. It moisturizes your hair. It treats dry hair and scalp. It acts as a great conditioner and it smells wonderful. So let's add this. Now guys, do not do this while you're hungry, okay? You might just eat it. Alright. So what I just placed in here is half a cup of coconut cream. And you can get this Trader Joe's, your local supermarket. So I'm going to blend this now. And what I'm using is a Ninja. And this is usually what I make my smoothies in, but you can use this as well to mix up the conditioner. We're halfway there, you guys. Almost done. And you want to do a little shake. Make sure you're mixing all that product. I like how soft this is now. Wow, look at that. It's nice and thick. Okay. Nice and thick, right? It's going to be a nice nourishing mask for the hair as well as a treatment. So we have the cupuacu butter. Okay, this is really popular in Brazil. This butter absorbs water. It's great at sealing water into the hair. It moisturizes your hair. So this is a great benefit to be actually added to the avocado hair mask. Alright, so we're going to do the double boiler method. We're going to put this butter into a Pyrex, like so. And this is 1/3 cup of cupuacu butter. Alright, so we're doing the double boiler method with the cupuacu oil And what the double boiler method is getting a Pyrex and putting the butter into a Pyrex jar or any type of heat resistant glass. Pyrex is always number one. And also getting a pot and putting water in it, not covering. Maybe the water could be like this high and you put the Pyrex inside. And you're doing the double boiler method, which this actually doesn't break down the oil, the benefits of the oil, because sometimes when you overheat the oil in a microwave or directly, it can take some of the nutrients out. So this is a way of preserving the nutrients so that it's warm, it's melted, you can mix it with other ingredients. Alright, so we're going to turn this off. This is done. It's melty. And we are going to add it to the coconut oil mix, right? Okay, and we're done. So we melted 1/3 cup of cupuacu butter. Now what we're going to do is combine it. We are going to combine the avocado mix with the cupuacu butter. So we have to just add the, okay, nourishing. So we're adding the castor oil, and the amount that we're going to put in is, let's see, we're only putting 15 ml of castor oil in there. Let's see how that goes. No, I want to put more. Let's put another 15 ml in there and see what that does of castor oil. So we're putting a total of 30 ml of castor oil into this mix. Now we're going to use a blender and we're going to blend it up. You guys know I love mixing, so I love using these gadgets. I love how thick it is. So next we're going to apply a few droplets of oils. Now these oils promote hair growth as well as moisture. Let's first start with horsetail oil. Horsetail oil, it's really good, promotes growth. So we're going to put a couple of drops of this. 1, 2, 3. So we're putting 3 drops of horsetail oil in there, okay? Peppermint oil. I love using peppermint oil in almost all my products. I mean, research was done that the peppermint oil regrows the hair, okay? So we're gonna just do a couple of drops, 1, 2, 3, that's it. Next, we are doing lavender. Lavender, not only does it smell good, it promotes hair growth. So we're gonna just do a couple of drops here, 1, 2, 3. It has antibacterial, antimicrobial properties, so it's good for the scalp as well. So we're going to use borage oil. Borage oil is good at moisturizing the hair, skin, and nails. So it's good for the scalp, it's good for the hair, it's good for moisture. And all you need is a little bit, so I'm going to do maybe 3 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drops it is. And I think that's it. I usually like putting little scents in, but I think I'm just leave it as at that because lavender is good, and we have the coconut cream, which was also good. So I'm gonna blend that. And then you can see, look how nice and whipped that is. So this is a great hair mask, guys. All right, guys. So there you have it, our deep nourishing avocado hair mask. I'm so excited to try this with you guys. So look forward to the part 2 of this video where I try on my hair. And I want to hear your comments about it. You know, what did you like about it? How beneficial it was for your hair? And stay tuned for our next up-and-coming products where we're going to try more products straight from the kitchen that's beneficial for your hair, that nourishes your hair. So stay tuned for that. See you next time.
Hit the subscribe button and press like on the video. See you next time.